Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You've plugged the Chromecast into the TV and powered it. Now focus on network and browser. Make sure your laptop is on the same Wi-Fi as the Chromecast so they can see each other. Once done, open Chrome and check for updates to avoid compatibility quirks. Why this matters? Casting uses local network discovery and modern browser APIs, so outdated software or different networks will block the connection. Now that prerequisites are satisfied, proceed to start casting from the browser or a supported app. You're ready to cast. Click the three-dot menu in Chrome and pick Cast, or right-click the tab you want to share and choose Cast. When the device list appears, select your Chromecast, then pick whether to cast the active tab, your full desktop, or a file. Make sure to change the source and resolution if you need full-screen video or want lower bandwidth. Because audio routing differs, choose desktop casting for system sound. Once the stream starts, you'll see the tab mirrored on the TV. To finish, stop casting from Chrome's Cast Control or click the tab's cast icon. You'll reclaim resources and audio on your laptop. If playback stutters or disconnects, make sure both devices are near the Wi-Fi router, lower the cast quality, or switch the laptop to 5 GHz for less interference. If the Chromecast doesn't appear, restart the Chromecast, reboot your laptop, and power cycle the router. That refreshes local discovery. These steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.